What if I told you the world's richest man started by packing books in his garage? Today, we're diving into Jeff Bezos' incredible journey from zero to hero. Stick around because this will change how you think about taking risks. Welcome back to Fuel of Hustlers. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a man who bet everything on a crazy idea when nobody believed in him. It's 1994. Jeff Bezos is 30, working at D.E. Shaw Hedge Fund on Wall Street, making serious money. Then he reads that web usage is growing 2,300% per year. Most people would ignore this statistic, but Jeff sees the future. He makes the craziest decision ever, quits his six-figure job and drives to Seattle with his wife Mackenzie. Why Seattle? It had tech talent and was near book distributors. But here's the kicker. He had no solid business plan. He was literally figuring it out as he went. The first Amazon office wasn't some fancy startup space. It was a garage in Bellevue, Washington. Jeff couldn't afford proper furniture, so he built desks from old doors and Home Depot brackets. His wife Mackenzie was employee number 1, packing books and driving to the post office every day. Nobody understood what he was doing. Online shopping in 1995? People thought he was insane. When Jeff asked his parents for $25,000, they weren't investing in Amazon, they were investing in their son. His dad said, "I don't know what the internet is, but we believe in you." The challenges were massive. Dial-up internet, slow connections, people didn't trust online payments. Jeff coded all night, learning programming, building everything from scratch, website, payment systems, inventory management. He was debugging code until his eyes were bloodshot. Money was a constant nightmare. Amazon burned cash faster than it made it. Jeff maxed out credit cards, borrowed from friends, took loans against his house. Media called it Amazon.bomb. Experts predicted bankruptcy within a year. But here's what made Jeff different: his obsession with customer experience. While others chased quick profits, Jeff tracked every complaint, every return. Amazon would lose money fixing problems just to keep customers happy. He understood that customer loyalty was worth more than short-term profits. The breakthrough came in 1997 when Amazon went public. But Jeff wasn't satisfied with just books. He wanted the everything store. People said he was overreaching, doing too much too fast. Jeff thought decades ahead, while others thought quarterly. He said he was willing to be misunderstood for long periods. While Wall Street demanded profits, Jeff reinvested everything into growth and customer experience. Amazon Prime was the game changer. Free 2-day shipping for a yearly fee? Everyone thought Jeff was crazy. Amazon lost money on every shipment, but Jeff understood he was creating unbreakable customer loyalty. Prime members bought almost everything from Amazon. Then came expansion nobody saw coming. Cloud computing with AWS now powers half the internet. Kindle revolutionized reading. Alexa brought AI into homes. Blue Origin is conquering space. Jeff wasn't building a bookstore, he was building a technology empire. Jeff's success wasn't luck. It was thinking long-term when everyone thought short-term. Customer obsession when others wanted quick money. Willingness to fail and learn constantly. Jeff failed more than most people even try. Fire phone disaster. Amazon auctions failure, dozens of projects that flopped, but every failure was learning. He knew if you're not failing, you're not innovating hard enough. Today's numbers are mind-blowing. Amazon generates over $400 billion in revenue. Jeff's worth peaked at $200 billion. Amazon employs 1.5 million people. The garage company became one of the world's most valuable businesses. The real lesson isn't about money, it's about mindset. Betting on yourself when nobody else will. Thinking long-term in a short-term world. Being customer-obsessed, not competitor-obsessed. Jeff said when he's 80, he'd regret not trying more than trying and failing. That separates successful entrepreneurs from everyone else. So, what's your garage moment? What crazy idea do you have that everyone thinks impossible? What's stopping you? Fear? Comfort? Other people's opinions? Jeff wasn't born special. He had no advantages you don't have today. The internet is more accessible now. Tools are better than ever. The question is, do you have courage to bet on yourself? That's a wrap on Fuel of Hustlers. If this inspired you, smash that like button and tell me your garage moment in the comments. Subscribe for weekly success stories that fuel your hustle. Remember, every empire starts with a single step. Your step starts today. Keep hustling.